This is a piece that we produced off the Ricoh 7200. And one thing about neon is, yeah, people use it for spot colors, etc., and they guess at it. But how do you add neon into images? So this is the value of Touch7 Photo Neon. To add the pink into this image took us a few seconds. We are in Photoshop, so we're still giving complete control to the designer that they can change the elements as they want or not put the pink in or yes or no. But again, would you know where to add it and how much based on the image? That took us about 5 or 6 seconds. I really want to thank also Deposit Photos. They're a great partner of ours that provide us these images to work with. These are stock images. We produce these things and show you what's possible, but Neon from Ricoh is a really nice tool here, and look at how beautiful it looks.